If you want to reach a global audience, there's a quick and easy way to translate your videos for free with just one click. I'm going to show you how to use an AI translation and dubbing tool that can lip sync and clone voices to make it look like you're speaking a new language.
Ad esempio, sto parlando italiano in questo momento, anche se non so parlare italiano. Affatto.
Or I can switch to Hindi. क्या आप देख सकते हैं मेरे होंठ कैसे समन्वयित होते हैं? ऐसा लगे मैं एक और भाषा बोल रहा हूँ. Now I'll switch to French.
Remarquez que peu importe la langue que je parle, cela ressemble toujours à ma voix d'origine. Assez incroyable, non?
I'm going to show you how to accomplish this video translation magic using an AI tool called HeyGen. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can try it yourself for free. I'll also share 3 pro tips to help you get the best translation results possible, and I'll give you a glimpse at the brand new avatars that are now available on the free plan. And be sure to watch until the end of the video when I'll share a bonus tip that's gonna really blow your mind. Ready to dive in? Let's get to it. Start by choosing Create Video and Video Translation. You can paste a link or upload your video here. I'll upload a short clip from one of my tutorials that I originally recorded in English. Then I'll choose Create a New Translation. And if your original video is in a language other than English, HeyGen can handle that too. Just leave it on auto detect or choose your original language from this menu. Next, choose a target language. I'll choose German. You can leave it on auto detect or specify how many speakers are in the video. Then click Confirm Submission. Since this is a demo of the free plan, it will take a few minutes to translate the video. When you upgrade to a paid plan, you'll get access to faster processing times. While we're waiting, let me show you the original version of this video in English. Okay, so this is the real me, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own AI clone, plus I'll share 5 pro tips that will help you make the most of HeyGen's most powerful new features, including a few that you may not have seen before. Now let's take a look at our translated video.
Okay, das bin ich. Und in diesem Tutorial zeige ich, wie du deinen eigenen KI-Klon erstellen kannst. Außerdem teile ich 5 Profi-Tipps, die dir helfen werden, die leistungsstärksten neuen Funktionen von HeyGen optimal zu nutzen, einschließlich einiger, die du vielleicht noch nicht gesehen hast.
By the way, if you speak Italian, Hindi, French, or German, leave a comment below and let me know what you think of those translations. Here are some pro tips to help you get the best translation possible. Tip 1. Click the Tips button on the translation page to see a complete list of all available languages. These are the languages available at the time of this recording, but HeyGen is adding new languages and regional accents all the time. Tip 2. Avoid background noise and music when doing video translation. Try to record your original video in a quiet environment and upload a version of the video that features voices before any background music was added. Tip 3. Video translation works best when there are 1 or at most 2 speakers. Close-up shots work best, and speakers should be facing the camera or angled at no more than 45 degrees to ensure the best lip sync. The HeyGen plan is really generous and includes access to most of HeyGen's features. It used to be limited to 1 minute of video per month, but recently HeyGen added a lot more stuff to their free plan. Now with the free plan, you can create 3 videos up to 3 minutes long every month. You get full access to their AI studio editor, over 60 avatars and 300 AI voices and 1 digital clone. You also get 400 video templates, a built-in screen recorder, and you can import PowerPoint slides and PDFs to jumpstart your video creation. Plus, you get access to a lot of brand new HeyGen avatars. Let me introduce you to them now. These new avatars go way beyond traditional talking heads. They have a variety of poses, backgrounds, and outfits. Plus, you can find avatars with yoga, health and wellness, outdoor, and picnic settings, as well as casual and professional looks. Check out how different these avatars are from the original talking heads. The original avatars are here at the top of the list. See how they always face the camera and have kind of a standard professional look? Well, the new avatars come with their own backgrounds and have a wide variety of looks. Here's Gayla, an avatar with 18 looks. For each look, Gayla is sitting or standing in a different place. There are different camera angles and props for variety, and she's got different outfits you can choose from too. But Gayla herself and the color schemes remain consistent, so it's easy to pull together different clips and create a professionally edited video. To see all of the new avatars, click Avatar and choose Casual. Some avatars, like Raul, are a good fit for business videos, but you can also choose Noah in a home setting, Blanca in an outdoor picnic setting, and Oksana, who has a mix of business, yoga studio, and gym settings. These new avatars let you create videos with a customized spokesperson that will really resonate with your audience. All of these new avatars are included in the free plan, and by the way, the free plan doesn't expire. With this plan, you can create 3 videos up to 3 minutes long each month. To sign up for the free plan without entering a credit card, just click the link in the description below. Keep in mind that the free plan gives you a standard video processing speed, an export resolution of 720p, and there will be a small HeyGen watermark in the corner of your videos. If you want to remove the watermark and export at higher resolutions up to 1080p, you can upgrade to the creator plan. You'll get everything in the free plan, plus you can create an unlimited number of videos each month, and each one can be up to 5 minutes long. Videos will be processed more quickly and the watermark will be removed. You also get up to 3 digital clones or instant avatars. At the time of this recording, the creator plan costs $24 per month on the annual plan or $29 per month on the monthly plan. This is a really great deal, especially when you consider that you can publish an unlimited number of videos. To create unlimited videos up to 30 minutes long and collaborate with teammates, check out the Teams plan. You get a multi-user workspace, access to over 120 avatars, plus a global language suite of over 140 languages and dialects. You also get a brand kit, roles and permissions, and even faster video processing time. The Teams plan is $69 per seat per month on the annual plan or $89 on the monthly plan. To export videos up to any length at resolutions up to 4K, check out the Enterprise plan. This plan gives you access to a brand voice and the Translation Proofread Studio, which lets you proofread and fine-tune translations for even higher levels of accuracy. Now, here's that bonus tip. If you want to see something really mind-blowing, check out this digital clone of myself that I created with the Instant Avatar feature. HeyGen recently announced that they're making this cloning feature available to everyone, even if you're on the free plan. It only takes 2 minutes of video footage and your clone will be ready in 5 minutes. That's why it's called an instant avatar. Then just type in a script and use your clone to create a video of yourself talking without setting up any camera, microphone, or lights for filming. Or if you have a client, SME, or colleague who needs a clone, with their permission, you can create a digital clone for them instead. Click or tap this video to learn more and let me know if you can tell the difference between my clone and the real me.